Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So today we are going to do a review of application for Hajj, the application which will definitely support you during the Hajj for maps, directions and a lot of other stuff. So why should you see this video, watch this video until end? Because if you are going in future for Hajj, or if any close ones of you are going Hajj, so you should watch this video so that at least you can help somebody. Or please subscribe the channel and share and like to allow more better videos to come your way in future, inshallah. So this video will talk about the use of mobile phone and technology to ease the movements during Hajj, because a lot of people get lost and their family members or team members get lost during the Hajj. So this will ease your movements, and it will benefit from you will be able to benefit from the facilities provided for ummat during Hajj. Different organizations are providing, so all will be discussed in this video. So the application which we are going to discuss is Mina Locator. Go to Play Store, or if you have iPhone, so go to your applications and write Mina Locator. You'll get this Mina Locator, which you can see on top. So this is installed in my computer. If you don't have it installed, just please install it. You can see it as Pakistan Hajj Volunteers Group, but trust me, it is valid for all the countries. Why, how, I will show you in the video. Go inside. Because it is installed, is coming open, read more. So these are the details. I want to show you one more thing. If you go down, you see the reviews of people. So this is actually the Mina Locator. You will have a lot of options in this, which we will discuss in detail. Maps will be there. It will be in Urdu language and Arabic language also. So for this video we'll discuss only the English, but you can change the language and go use your own language. Okay, so go to the reviews. It is overall 4.7, and at 50k plus downloads are there. 50,000 people have downloaded it. Let's see all the reviews. Most of them are 5-star reviews, mashallah. It is very good application, and only few I saw 1 star, so they already replied updation is done, so remove their problems. So all 5 stars. So it is very, very important application. Let's go inside the application without wasting the time. So this is Mina Locator. Let's go and first discuss the Mina map. You can see Mina map here. Mina map. So I would like to introduce you, or to familiarize you with the places which you are going to have when you visit, inshallah, Hajj. Mina map. So look at here. First of all, let's go to Haram. So this is Haram. I'm making this video on mobile, suitable for mobile devices, so that you can see easily. This is Haram. This is Baitullah Al Haram and first ring road. This is overall Haram, and this is Ajyad. Major suburbs are written here. So anyway, if you go further down, so here in the, you see on top the north sign is there. Here, north sign. So if you click this, it will adjust north on top. So Haram is here, bottom is south. Go out and see Azizia. You can see, let me zoom it out so that you will be able to see everything together. Okay, so here Haram was here. Okay, so from Haram, if you go eastern side, so you see Azizia, and then Mina, and then Muzdalifa, and then Arafah. Okay, so here until this screen it is Muzdalifa. We go further down. I'm not caring about the length of this video, because if you are interested to know more, you have to spend time. So Muzdalifa is in front, and you're on the center of the screen. This is Muzdalifa, and further down if you go, you will be able to see Arafah train station. So this is Arafah. So if I zoom out, you'll be able to see Haram, then Mina, and then Muzdalifa, and then Arafah is somewhere here. So this whole is Arafah. So this is the overall flow. So some people go on foot. So when you go, it is east, southeast. This is east, this is north, this is south. So you have to go southeast in this direction for Arafah when on the day of Hajj, inshallah. Okay, so this is Arafah. So Mount Arafah Masjid is also here. Arafah, where the khutbah is given, from where the khutbah is provided. So the train station is also here. So these are the 4 important places: Haram, Mina, Muzdalifa, Arafah. You have seen already. Now familiarize yourself please with all the train stations. There are 9 train stations, 3 important places: Mina, Muzdalifa, Arafah. So 3 in each, 3 Mina train stations. So you can see the first one, second one, and the third one is at the Jamara. Zoom in. Can you see these 4 sheds on top? So this shed is for a small Jamara, Jamara to Sughra. Okay, this is for the big Jamara. And one out of these 2, I think this one is for Wasti, the middle one. Let's zoom in. Yeah, this is the middle one. You can see now. Al-Jamaratul Wasta. This is Kubra and this is Sughra. So you come from the train station. This is the train station. You can see this sign. From this train station you come this way and you have to pass through all the Jamarats. Okay, so first train station I would like to introduce you is Mina train station 3. This is 3rd train station, which is called Jamara. From here you come, you pass through the small Jamara, which is also called Shaitan or Satan. Then you go from Wasta, and then there is a small place, and then you go with the big Jamara. And then after this you don't have to stop here. You have a big building which is called the escalator building. So this is also a landmark, escalator building. So there are 4 escalators. You go, it is a beautiful, well ventilated, huge tower from where you come down and you go straight. So when you go straight from here, you go out, and Baya Mosque is there. You go straight, and then if you want to go for Tawaf, so you can go straight from there to Haram. Okay, the roads are going there, so you can take a taxi or Uber or Kareem, both works there. So you can pick them up, go straight and until the stop where the cars are available, vehicles, transportation is available, and you can go to Haram for your Tawaf. Okay, so this is Mina train station number 3, which I have introduced you to. After this is this Mina station 2. You can see on the screen Mina train station 2, and then after this is Mina train station 1. So connect all of them together. If I connect all of them together from here, you can see this is 3, this is 2, this is 1, and then it goes on further. Mina Muzdalifa train station 3, and then Muzdalifa train station 2, which is on the screen, and then further down if you go, then it will be Muzdalifa train station, then Arafah is here. So Muhatta Muzdalifa Qatar Mashari, here it is. So Muzdalifa train station 1, not written in English. So this is 2, this is 1, and then after this is Arafah. So Arafah and Masjid al-Nimra is also close by. You can see this is Arafah train station, Arafah train station 3, and this is Nimra Mosque, which is very popular, from where the khutbah is provided for Hajj. So Arafah train station 3, Arafah train station 2, Arafah train station 1. So very simple to remember. Close to Haram is always 3. So it goes like this, Mina train station 3, 2, 1, then Muzdalifa train station 3, 2, 1, then Arafah train station 3, 2, 1. So towards Haram will always be 3, and away from Haram it will always be 1. Please note down that when you reach there, at any place you have to understand, you have to recognize, you have to quickly note down which train station is close to you, because it's a big landmark. Very important to know. If you are lost, if your family member is lost, you are talking to them on phone, you can tell them to come to that train station at least, because it's a big landmark, and that's a place from where you will go in and out. If you are going back to Muzdalifa or Mina, you will use the same train station. So please note down your train station, whether it is 3, 2 or 1. Okay, that's why I wanted to familiarize you with these locations and the train stations. Two more things which are very important are two masajid in Mina. One Mina is Masjid Baya al-Uqba. This is Baya Mosque. You can see the mark is written here. This is the mark. Mark is here with a moon and a star. And the other one is the Masjid al-Khayf. Okay, Masjid al-Khayf, Al-Khayf Mosque. So these are the two mosques around Jamara. So please note it down. It is on different sides of Mina train station 3 for which is Jamara train station. So now coming to the first interface of this application, if you open it will look like this one. The first item here is Camp Maktab. If you click this camp, you've got countries written, the popular countries, which are Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bangladesh. But if you are picking like if you're coming from Western countries, America, USA, UK, or any other country like Australia, so you have to go to other countries. Click this button and go inside. You will have camp numbers, and search option is also there. So camp numbers will be provided the way it is shown here. So just write down your camp, or maybe if you can scroll down, click your camp, and it will show you where it is. And on your bottom left you can see there is a button for directions. So if you click this button, it will take you, you open up the navigation, Google navigation, and will take you there. On top, right top, you can see this mark. If you click this, it will show you your location compared to your camp location, so that you can navigate over there. Okay, so this way you can reach your. Second option is Jamarat. So if you click this Jamarat, it will take you directly to the place which I have already shown you, but you don't have to zoom in, zoom out. It will take you directly to the Jamarat place where it will be. So all three Jamara are mentioned there. Okay, so you can use this for the third is mosque. This mosque would have shown to you already. Two mosques will be shown, Al-Khayf Mosque, which is in Mina, and Kuwaiti Mosque. If you click Kuwaiti Mosque, it will open up where it is exactly. So if you are talking to somebody as a landmark to meet up or to meet somebody, or if you are lost, if somebody is lost, you can call them to one of the two mosques. You click it, get the directions, reach there. So this is mosque. Further down, next one is hospital. So if you click hospital, all the hospitals are there. Mina Emergency, Mina Al-Asar Hospital. So please note down, all the hospitals are totally free of cost. You can get the medicines, emergency or whatever, all free of cost, arranged by the Ministry of Hajj and blah blah in Saudi Arabia. So all these places, please use them if required. May Allah not happen like this, or if it's required, it is totally free of cost. I've used it when I was there. Okay, clinics are there. So clinics in particular camps. So whichever camp you have, just search it, go to the clinic camp, clinic of that particular camp, so you can reach the clinic for small issues. If you have a big issue, emergency or something, you can use hospital, or you can utilize other services like Red Crescent Center, blah blah, which will come down further. Okay, train station. The next is train station. If you click, so you can see 3 each. So Mina first train station is 3, which is Jamara. So the one which is towards Haram, Masjidul Haram, KABA, Baitullah will be 3, the higher number, and it will reduce down. So Mina, Muzdalifa and Arafah, 333, altogether 9 train stations. Anyone, if you want, click, it will take you directly there. You don't have to search it. Okay, So this is train station icon. Then next is Red Crescent Center. In case of emergency, they have a good service there. They have ambulances and a setup, first aid, blah blah, quick response. So you can click which center is closer to you based on your camp. They have 24 centers, so whichever is closer to you, you can just see. When you reach there, you can have a quick look at which services and facilities are available based on this application. Okay, next is civil defense units. Any problem occur related to civil defense, you can search them as well. Next is post Pakistan Hajj volunteer group. So for especially this is for Pakistanis, like somebody if having problems like family problems, if they have to go quickly over there, respond to, or somebody lost, or any problem related to Pakistani community or people, please visit them. They are quite helpful. They will support you. Slaughterhouse, very very important. What happens, if you are going with a big group or government scheme, they charge you for slaughtering animal. And the problem is with Hanafi fiqh and some others as well, that once you do the jamarat, then you have to do the slaughtering, and then you can do the halaq, which is removal of your hairs, and then you can go then you can take off your ihram. So usually people try to take off their ihram, and for that they have to do the removal of hairs. But the problem is slaughtering should be done prior to your halaq. Halaq means removal of hairs of head. So that thing can be made sure if you go by yourself to the slaughterhouse, or if you maybe make a team like 7-8 people or 10 people, nominate only 2 people who can go there to the slaughterhouse. Remember that it is quite far away. The way is very difficult, and if you are going during the day, it is quite hot there. So take the bottle, take the umbrella if you have, and then take the directions from here, measure the minutes, and note down that when it gives you the direction, it gives you based on vehicle, car or any other transport, but you are walking over there. So because on the day of Hajj, no vehicles are allowed in Mina except only the emergency vehicles, so you won't find the transport there. Don't think transports will be available. Only the emergency services like Red Crescent, civil defense, or hospital or police, on these sort of vehicles you will see moving there, very limited. So everything will be done on foot. That's why this application is very very important. You have to go everywhere by your own self. So if you are going there, make sure that it is maybe an hour effort. Looks like very difficult. It's not impossible. It is difficult, but not very very difficult. It is manageable. So don't go like not all the people should go there. People should collect the money, nominate the people, give their name, and keep contact on mobile phone. When they go slaughterhouse, they have to take token. They have to stand in the queue when their number comes, and then they will choose the animal based on the price, and then they get this slaughtering done, and then they are free from the restrictions of ihram after doing the halaq, which is removal of hairs. So this is slaughterhouse. If you want to go that way, you can go. Islamic awareness centers are there. Mina map I've already shown you. Pakistan Hajj mission office, very important. You can see where they are, and you can meet them in case if you have any problems or something. You can discuss and take help from them. Both the offices you can go. Al-Haram. So Haram has got 4 gates, has got so many gates, maybe over 100, but 4 major ones are here. Like if you are lost, you are telling somebody, please meet me at King Fahad gate, so open the King Fahad gate. It will show you where it is, and then you can navigate to King Fahad gate. Okay, this is how it works. Only 4 gates have shown there in different directions. Makkah accommodation, Pakistani pilgrims, only for Pakistani pilgrims. They hire the buildings, and those buildings you can locate where they are. If you know the building number, this application will guide you, will be very important, will show you where you are exactly located. So this was the overall review. In the description you will find a lot of important information, like for example, if you have any problem, you are from Pakistan, you want to complain about it or take some help, or maybe suggest some modifications or improvements. So I've given a semicolon separated email addresses too many, so you can just copy paste and write down your complaint or your suggestion, or even if you want to appreciate them for their good job, you can appreciate them. Not always you can contact for complaining. The other thing is two toll-free numbers are also provided, one in Saudi Arabia, the other one is in Pakistan, in the description for Pakistanis. But if you are from overseas, please look into your relevant Hajj services providers. Okay, so thanks very much for watching the video till the end. I hope this must have been quite helpful for you. And also please note down one thing, that when you reach there, maybe you are quite smart, you have a phone and you are very good in navigation, don't have any problems, so but still you will find so many people lost there from different nationalities. So at least you can help them using this application. So keep it handy in your cell phone. If you find some Sudani or maybe Somali or any other pilgrim there, or we all are brothers, so maybe we don't speak the same language, but he must have his numbers written on his wristband or somewhere. Take his number of camp and just figure it out and guide him rightly that where he should head to. And also train stations are quite important, because even if you don't have train in your package, most of the time there are announcements there that all the trains are free for all, anybody can ride the train. So when it is announced, if you find some old people or disabled people, or some people are there who think that they cannot use the train, you can also help them, take them in the train to the right place where they want to go. So helping others is a very good thing, gives you a lot of satisfaction, and this application will definitely help you in doing so. And I hope you will pass on this word further to other people. I did this whole video in English so that the people from Western countries can get benefit from this application. There will be another version of the same video in Urdu language, Urdu Hindi, so that people from India, Pakistan, Bangladesh can also get help. So I think this is enough. If you have any question, don't hesitate to please write down in the comments. If you like it, please hit the like button, appreciate in the comments as well. It gives us a motivation to create more videos like this. And maybe if you have any further question, ask there. When the season of Hajj comes closer, we will make more videos with the updates, inshallah. So keep supporting, and we'll continue making new videos. Jazakallahu khairan. Thanks.